Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a new message in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to help you compose and send emails using Gmail's user-friendly interface. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. At the top left corner of the Gmail interface, locate and click on the main menu icon. This will expand a menu with various options. Step 3. From the expanded menu, click on Compose to create a new email message. By following these quick steps, you can easily compose and send emails in Gmail on your PC. Whether it's a personal message, a professional email, or anything in between, Gmail offers a seamless and efficient platform for all your emailing needs. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy a streamlined emailing experience with Gmail's new message creation feature.